Assalamu alaikum, ninth class. Today we will do voice. Voice is a such form of the verb which shows whether the subject does something or something is done to it. There are two types of voice, active voice and passive voice. As the word active show, here the doer of the action is active and the passive means that he is now passive, he is slow, he is not doing something. In active and passive voice, basically we need few changes. First of all, subject changes into object. Subject is the doer of the action. When it becomes passive, when it changes into object, it becomes passive. First we change subject into object and object into subject, and we change their position, we interchange their positions. Secondly, we change pronouns according to the position, and to complete the sentence, to enhance the sentence, to give it the complete meaning, by is added, and there is a change in the form of verb also. In any type of tense, either we are doing present indefinite, past indefinite, future indefinite, we are doing the three continuous tenses, that is present continuous, past continuous, future continuous, or we are doing perfect tenses, present perfect, past perfect, or future perfect. We use third form of the verb. Keep it in mind that whatever the tense we are doing, form of the verb will be third form of the verb. For example, I buy a pen. Here I is subject and pen is a object. We change their positions. Subject becomes object and object becomes subject. A pen comes to the place of a subject. Pen is active now. A pen is bought by me. I changes when we change the positions. We change the positions. Pronouns changes. I changes into me. We into us. He into his. She into her. They into them. Now have a view of the change of the tenses. When we are doing indefinite tense, it is, if it is present indefinite, then we add is, am, or are. In past indefinite, we uses was or were, and future indefinite will be or shall be. I like tea. I like tea. First form of the verb is used, it is present indefinite. Tea is liked by me. थर्ड फॉर्म चेंज हो गई, इज ऐड हो गया, बाय ऐड हुआ, और फॉर्म ऑब्जेक्ट सब्जेक्ट सब्जेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट हो गया. पास्ट इंडेफिनिट, आई लाइक्ड टी. टी वॉज लाइक्ड बाय मी. I shall like tea. Tea will be liked by me. In these three sentences, helping verb is changed according to the tense. Rest of the changes remains same. Now next is continuous tense. In continuous tense, we add being. B-E-I-N-G. We use being with the third form of the verb. In present continuous, it is being. In past continuous, is was being, and in future continuous, it will be and shall be with the first form and ing, the present participle. Is being, am being, was being, were being, will be, shall be. In the perfect tense, we use been. Perfect sentences has, had, have, or be, will have, shall have. Present perfect has, have, past perfect had, future perfect will have or shall have. When we change into passive voice, we add been, B-E-E-N. Keep in mind, in continuous tense, first form with ing is used. So when you are using be, being, that is B-E-I-N-G, has been, have been, had been, and will have been, and shall have been. Same changes, change of pronoun accordingly, subject into object, object into subject, by will be added, and third form of the verb. That's all.